must die, you must live, to tell my story, to sell my things. To buy a piece of cloth and some strings, make it white with a long tail, so that a child, somewhere in Gaza, while looking heaven in the eye, awaiting his dad who left in a blaze, and bid no one farewell, not even to his flesh, not even to himself, sees the kite, my kite you made, flying up above, and thinks for a moment an angel is there, bringing back love. If I must die, let it bring hope, let it be a tale. This poem was dedicated to the children of Gaza by the writer and poet Rafat al-Arir, professor at the Islamic University of Gaza, before his death. For more than 6 months, in front of the eyes of all humanity, a blatant genocide has been taking place in Gaza with no distinction between women, children, and civilians. During this time, all schools, faculties, shrines, and hospitals in Gaza have been destroyed. Tens of thousands of students, teachers, lecturers, clergy, doctors, and medical personnel have been killed. Hundreds of thousands of students, from primary school to university, have been deprived of their right to education. We consider the bullying, threats, detentions, intimidation attempts such as dismissals and dismissals against conscientious university lecturers and students who stand with Gaza all over the world as a blow to basic human rights and academic freedom. As in a university, we are aware that coming together for peace and justice is a necessity for the honor and future of humanity. While glorifying the common values of humanity is one of our main missions, the genocide in Gaza has overshadowed these values. For us, remaining insensitive to the suffering in Gaza is a rejection of moral responsibility. Remaining silent in the face of Israel's attacks in Gaza is not an option, it is complicity in the crime. As a university community, we are ready to do everything we can to establish peace and justice. The reason why we have come together here today is to declare that we stand with the people of Gaza, that we share their suffering, and that we support and stand by the peaceful actions of all students and academics in universities around the world who feel responsible for defending human rights. We once again call on the entire world's academic community, all university students, to mobilize the international community to stop Israel's genocide in Gaza. For the sake of human dignity, we demand that all world leaders take immediate action to end the genocide in Gaza and to end the violence against pro-peace students and faculty. This is only the beginning. As in university students, we will continue our struggle for peace and justice, and we will continue to defend the common values of humanity, because we believe that only by acting together we can ensure peace and make the world a better place.
وكل العرب بتنادي احتلالي عدواني يموت طفلي واجدادي استقيلي مين ارهابي وجاي اقول لك مين بادي زورني مش من اوكرانيا زوري اني بشري مش فايضة زوري اولادي زوري اني جبتهم على دنيا منقطة ومش عادلة زوري الحلم طويل